Hey everyone! So let's get started. In this course, we will be planning, researching, and writing a researched argumentative essay. So, in this essay, you will be presenting a clear and coherent argument about a current issue that you will research yourself. So, you'll be formulating a topic, drafting a research proposal, researching online and in the DSU library, constructing an annotated bibliography of your sources, and then drafting an argumentative essay. So, our first job here is to brainstorm a topic for this research paper. So, I just now uploaded an announcement that includes a table with possible topics and research questions. Now, the research question is simply, the question that's guiding your research, the question that you want to find an answer to. So, use that table for some suggestions. You don't have to choose a topic from the table I provided, but that's just there to help you. So, this week we are working on formulating our topic and learning about the importance of research writing. So, first thing to do is complete the introduction discussion board. Let us know who you are, what your major is, what brings you to this class, what you're interested in. Then, I'd like you to read about the purpose of research writing. There's a couple links in the module that teach you about the goals of research writing. Now, there's also a copy of the research proposal assignment. Now, that's assignment 2.1. That's not due till next week, but I put it in this module so you can start planning and thinking about what's going to go into it. A research proposal is really the first stage of the research project. It helps you define your topic, develop your reasoning for choosing the topic, and it helps you lay out, where you're going to look for information and why researching this topic is important right now. So in this proposal assignment, there's 9 different sections for you to complete, and in my video for next week, I'll go over all those different sections. So, next is discussion 1.1. This discussion is based on the rhetorical mode of definition, which refers to how we delineate the meaning of a term. So in this discussion, think about a current debate in the news and how different sides of the debate define the term differently. One example could be abortion. Some people call it murder. Some people will call it a benign medical procedure. Different sides to this debate define it differently. There's also debate about assault weapons, whether they should be banned or we should limit their sale. So what defines an assault weapon? What does that actually refer to? I think that also has different meanings depending on where you stand on the debate about gun regulations. So after you complete discussion 1.1 and describe a debate where you see a term defined differently by the different sides, you're ready to move on to assignment 1.1. And this is why I asked you to start thinking about topics that are of interest to you, because assignment 1.1 is where you first propose your idea for a topic. It could be related to your major, but it doesn't have to be. So what do you want to know more about? What current issue is important to you? So in assignment 1.1, you can submit up to 4 attempts. So if your first idea doesn't really hold water, I will let you know and you can try a different topic. For this assignment, I also want you to submit a mind map. Mind mapping is a great technique that I use for brainstorming, especially in the early stages of a research project. So if you watch the videos I posted about mind mapping, you'll see that it's a very simple process. You just jot down an idea, put it in a bubble, draw a circle around it, and then draw a link to another bubble with another idea. And depending on how you organize this on the page, you can have subsidiary ideas or sister ideas. And this is the beginning to organizing the main ideas in your essay. It's a way for us to visualize how ideas are connected and, what main ideas make up your topic. So when you're thinking about your research topic, think of also the main ideas that you would address in your essay. So in other words, what are the important parts to this topic that you'll have to mention? Those main ideas could make up the subsidiary bubbles in your mind map. So submit your mind map with assignment 1.1 so that I can get an idea of your thinking process. In the Mind 'em Up mind mapping tool, you can make a free mind map. You just click create free mind map and then copy that into the assignment so I can see it. If you have trouble working with the online program, you can also just do it the old-fashioned way with a pen and paper and then upload a picture of that to your assignment. Either one is fine. Then the last section is our short write. The short write is simply a writing exercise, and it's a time for me to scrutinize your grammar and your sentence structure. So, when you work on your short write, assignment 1.2, remember you can choose which prompt to answer. Do not answer all 4 of them, only choose one. And you want to write at least 200 words about that topic. And so remember, I grade this exercise on how well you answer the question and on good grammar and mechanics. So I'm excited to start this journey with you. I hope to learn from you as we work through this research process. That's one reason I always enjoy teaching this course, is because I get to learn from my students' research. Remember, I'm always available via email if you have any questions. My email is ssokowski@desu.edu. And I'll see you on the discussion board.